Hare Krishna. So I welcome all of you for chanting today on today's very auspicious day, that is Ekadashi, and that is also special Ekadashi, that is called as Pandav Nirjal Ekadashi. So this is very auspicious day for performing any spiritual activity. Whatever done today, whatever spiritual activity is done today gets hundreds and thousands of time more benefit. Multiply. We can multiply whatever we are doing to hundreds and thousands of time today. So chanting one round is more than chanting 100 rounds and 1,000 rounds maybe taken. So today's chanting, and also some of you came in morning also for today's chanting. I thank all of you those who came for today's chanting. Especially I remember Sai Shruti Mataji. Then Jiten Prabhuji was there. Radhika Mataji was there. Then Vidya Nadkarni Mataji was also there. And somebody else also. Karthik Prabhu was also there. They are yet to come. And one more, Ashi Mataji was also there. So if I'm forgetting, please tell me. Anybody else was also there? Okay. Okay. So thank you for coming. So let us chant today. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम
राम राम हरे हरे। Hare Krishna. We'll start with prayers. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचना गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नमो ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Okay, we'll revise the 9th chapter, that is Rajavidya, most confidential knowledge. We saw about knowledge, that is who is qualified. So Krishna tells my devotee, one who is non-envious, he is qualified. And then Krishna tells about the characteristics of that knowledge, that it is Rajavidya, Rajaguyam, it is secret, it is Pavitra, it is Uttam, transcendental. Like that, Krishna glorifies this knowledge of bhakti. Then there is inconceivable relationship between Lord and matter, and living entity, and matter and Lord and living entity. Then Krishna tells about how some people are there still understanding that Krishna is handling whole world is working under whole universe, or whole creation is working at his will, but still there are many fools who reject God, and there are many devotees who accept God. So Krishna told about them as Mahatma, and then Krishna was speaking about the devotees. Then Krishna spoke about the glories of bhakti, that bhakti is very simple, it gives freedom. And he told the activities of a sadhu, that how a sadhu all the time satatam kirtayantu mam, all the time he chants, and even if he performs some sinful activity, still he is considered to be sadhu. These things Krishna has told in that chapter, 9th chapter. So Krishna tells my devotee, even though he is not on that level that he can all the time 24/7 no, only perform bhakti, not do any other, like any mistake he will not do. Even if he is not on that level, still I accept him. Krishna tells that even if my devotee is not perfect, still I accept him. Like that Krishna says. And now the 10th chapter, that is Vibhuti Yoga. So in 9th, Krishna told actually to remember him, correct? Now in 10th, Krishna will tell how. Okay, Krishna will give us the reasons how we can remember, or the ways how we can remember him. It is similar to the topics we have seen, that how Krishna tells I am the essence of any power or any mystic, any majesty. So similarly, Krishna will give more examples today, that how is amongst animals is this, amongst planets is this, amongst the demigods is this. So like that, Krishna gives many examples in this chapter, so that he uh, he is giving us options or the ways how we can remember him. So like majesty of a majestic thing is opulence of Krishna, that Krishna wants to show in this chapter. He tells first few verses are about hearing. Then Krishna tells us the essence of Bhagavad Gita, that is 10.8 to 10.11 is called as Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita. That means the 4 shlokas define whole Bhagavad Gita. So that is called as Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita, and also it is considered to be the middle part of Bhagavad Gita. So you may say, अरे कली प्रभु जी आपने बोला था middle part to 9 chapter था, but 9 chapter middle है, ठीक है, 18 chapter तो 9 chapter लेकिन 10th और 9th ऐसे they are like भगवद गीता का middle part है, like that we can say. Why I am telling 10th chapter, because these 4 verses are given there in middle, like middle of Bhagavad Gita. These 4 verses define whole Bhagavad Gita, so that's why they are called Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita. Acceptance of Krishna. Krishna will tell many points that which I told that he is this and he is this in this. Of all the skillful men, he is this. Of all the powerful people, he is this. Like that, Krishna will tell many things, and then Krishna reveals himself. He tells about himself more. So indirectly, we see about 3 things in these chapters of Bhakti Yoga, right? Starting from the 8th chapter, the 9th chapter, or 10th chapter. So basically, we are seeing that Krishna is telling about 3 things. One is Bhagavan, that is about himself. Second is Bhakti, that is about the process. And third, Bhakta, that is the devotee. Krishna tells about himself more in this chapter, about Bhagavan. Sometimes in last chapter we saw Krishna was telling about Bhakti more. Before that we saw that Krishna was telling about Bhakti more. This process is very pure. In 9th chapter also Krishna told about Bhakti. So indirectly, all these 3, whatever Krishna is speaking about, all of them point towards only one direction, that is Bhakti Yoga. So Krishna, as if like Krishna got chance to speak about Bhakti Yoga. Otherwise, there are many other things which Krishna speaks also, like through his representatives, or through, as a Vyasdev, he has written all the Vedas, and in all Vedas, variety of spiritual processes are given, variety of tantras, mantras, and all these things are given for every kind of person who is there in this world. All kind of people, they have something from spirituality to take, which matches their nature, and they can perform something in their life. But now here Krishna is stressing on Bhakti Yoga. Somebody may say, if Bhakti Yoga is topmost, then why Krishna has told about Ashtanga Yoga, Jnana Yoga, why Krishna has told about all these things? So we may have question, correct? Anybody will have question that no, अगर भक्ति ही टॉप मोस्ट है तो डायरेक्टली फिर उसके बारे में ही बोलना था सब कुछ स्टार्टिंग टू एंड. Why Krishna is not telling about, why Krishna is telling about other things? So Krishna is very accommodative. ठीक है? He is God, correct? So come on, he has all are his children. He has created everything. So he wants to give whatever knowledge he gives, if it is for everybody. But if we see the flow of Bhagavad Gita, we understand after telling everything, he's telling Ashtanga Yogi and everything, and then at the end he says, but still those who worship me in loving devotion, they are the best, like that. So Krishna at the end, if you see the essence of Bhagavad Gita, so Krishna tells that one should become devotee of Krishna, one should surrender to Krishna. That is what is essence of Bhagavad Gita, and that we see that Arjun also did that. Arjun said, yes, I surrender unto you. And in this chapter also we'll see how Arjun accepts. Arjun tells about how he accepts Krishna as supreme, all those things he tells. Let's see. The first part is hearing. So Krishna wants Arjuna to hear. So what is the process to develop firm faith in Krishna? With that we are going to see Krishna's mercy is essential. That we'll see how to get free from sins and different qualities, be good or bad, are all created by Krishna. So Krishna is telling, neither the host of all demigods nor the great sages know my origin or opulences, for in every respect I am the source of all demigods and sages. Krishna is telling to Arjun that demigods or sages भी मुझे नहीं जान सकते, ठीक है? Demigod, from demigods, what we mean is here, that is demigods are the powerful people, most powerful people, ठीक है, in this universe. सबसे powerful जीवा है वो, demigods. And great sages means, what does it refer to? It refers to most intelligent people, pious people भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है? So these people also cannot know, ठीक है? Neither the host of demigod nor the great sages know my origin and opulences. So for them also it is not possible to know, Krishna is telling, till the time Krishna himself reveals. So we should understand from this that even though we may be most powerful person in this world, we may be most intelligent person in this world, but still on our own we cannot understand God. ठीक है? हम अपने खुद से उनको नहीं, गॉड को नहीं समझ सकते. It is not possible. Krishna is telling, I am the source of demigods and sages. मैं उनका source हूँ, वो भी मुझे नहीं जान सकते. One who is factually convinced of this opulence and mystic power of mine engages in all honored devotion. Of this there is no doubt. तो जिसको ये पता चल जाता है, ये जो मेरे जो mystic power है, opulence है, ये पता चल जाता है, वो unalloyed devotional service में ये हो जाता है. Alloy means, you understand, when there are few metals which are mixed together, ठीक है, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे contamination. एक pure metal नहीं है, बहुत सारे metals mix हो गए, that is called as alloy. So unalloyed devotional service, Krishna is telling. So one who knows this knowledge, okay, knows about Krishna's origin, Krishna's opulence, he engages in devotional service without any doubt. So first पिछला वाला क्या था? Demigods and sages cannot understand, ठीक है? But Krishna is telling the message to Arjun. Why? Because Arjun is non-envious. Arjun is his friend. Arjun is Shraddhavan. He is having Shraddha. Then Krishna is giving this knowledge, and Krishna is telling, if somebody understands my opulence and mystic power, okay, then he will become devotee. So that's why this knowledge is even superior to previous chapters knowledge. ठीक है, 9th chapter का जो देखा ना हमने knowledge, उससे superior है. So now उनमें से अरे 9th chapter में तो बोला गया है राजविद्या टॉप मोस्ट है, but Krishna, if you see in the 10th chapter, first verse only, Krishna tells Arjun, now I am telling you, behold, now hear properly what I am telling you, because this is better than what I have spoken previously. So once I remember, once what happened is, one photographer नहीं, sorry, photographer नहीं, क्या बोलते उसको, reporter, sorry, one reporter, he asked Srila Prabhupada, he said, Swamiji, and he wanted to checkmate Srila Prabhupada. Okay? He said, Swamiji, can Krishna create a hill which he himself cannot pick up? He said like that. So what was his question? That can Krishna pick a hill, make a hill which he himself cannot pick up? That was his question. So if Prabhupada says yes, then what he will say? So I said he should not be able to pick up, correct? So yes, he cannot say. And if Prabhupada says no, that means oh मैंने उनको checkmate कर दिया. यानी कृष्णा में power नहीं है एक hill उठाने का भी ऐसे. He asked question like that. So Srila Prabhupada, what he answered? Srila Prabhupada said, yes, he can make a hill which he cannot pick up, but he picks it up again after that. So God is somebody who, for whom there is nothing impossible. Impossible नाम की चीज है नहीं उनके लिए, ठीक है? He can do anything, and at the same time he can create a hill which cannot pick up, but afterwards he can pick it up also. So his energy, his opulence is ever increasing. It is not static or not limited like us. His glories are also unlimited. It is said that Ananta Shesha, from his thousands of mouth, he is from the beginning of time he is speaking about the glories of Krishna, but he is not able to. He is not able to reach the end till now. So many glories of Krishna are there. They go on increasing. His qualities go on increasing. His glories go on increasing. तो जैसे टाइम आगे बढ़ रहा है, आपने सपोज 100 ग्लोरीज बोल दिया, शायद ग्लोरी खत्म हो रहा है तो तब तक ग्लोरीज और बढ़ जाते, तब तक क्वालिटीज और बढ़ते जाते. So the more one hears, the more one becomes fixed in devotional service. Okay? If we hear more about Krishna, we will become fixed in devotional service. Srila Prabhupada used to say that if I say you meet Mr. John, then you will ask, first of all, you will ask, who is this Mr. John? First question will be, who is this Mr. John? Similarly, when we want to love Krishna or we want to engage in devotional service, we have to first of all hear about him. Okay? Then, to understand Krishna and his blessings in Bhagavad Gita, we require blessings. ठीक है? ये नहीं क्या कहते उसको, कितना भी powerful है, intelligent है, it will not give us what we say. That is not the qualification to understand Krishna. We require blessings, and that's why we were discussing so much about service. We should do service, and it's a great fortune of living entity to come in contact with Bhagavad Gita and associate with devotees, because the process of devotional service is the topmost, and we can get that through devotees coming in contact with Bhagavad Gita, coming in contact with devotees, and that is speciality of Bhagavad Gita also, which gives us this knowledge. Now going to the Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita, that is the essence of Bhagavad Gita. You can also read it at your home. 10.8 से लेके 10.11 तक आप पढ़ सकते हैं. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 बताता है what is the result of knowing Krishna's opulence. 9 बताता है pure devotion क्या है. 10.10 says whom Krishna gives intelligence to attend him. Dadami buddhi yogam tam. Whom he gives buddhi. And how to come out of ignorance. Before. So Acharyas say that the deep readers of Bhagavad Gita, the people who know the Bhagavad Gita deeply, or who have understood the essence and who live in their life, who practice the same thing. So they say that ये 4 श्लोक अगर आपको पता चलते हैं तो आपको पूरी भगवद गीता का essence पता हो जाता है. Somebody asks you what is Bhagavad Gita, so tell these 4 shlokas to them. So first 10.8, Krishna says, I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Aham sarvasya prabhavo. Please repeat. Aham sarvasya prabhavo. Matta sarvam pravartate. Matta sarvam pravartate. Iti matva bhajante mam. Iti matva bhajante mam. Buddha Bhava Samanvita. So I am pervading everywhere. I am the source of everything, material, spiritual, everything, spiritual world, and everything emanates from me. God का ये definition है. What is definition of God? From whom everything emanates. ठीक है? तो जो भी चीज है सब कुछ क्या है? जो भी creation है, everything has come from him. He is God. If somebody claims that I am God, we should ask him to take away whole universe and all energies within himself. We should ask him that. If he is able to do that, then we can say he is God. Otherwise, he is dog, D-O-G, dog, not G-O-D, God. Okay? So the wise who perfectly knows this, he engages in Krishna's devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Okay. So 4 attributes of faith we will see here. First, faith in Krishna's existence. सबसे पहले हमें क्या होना चाहिए? Faith होना चाहिए कृष्णा के existence पे. वो कैसे आएगा? The beautiful design of this universe itself is enough to establish our faith in the existence of God. Everything is so beautiful here in this world. The nature is so beautiful. We are destroying the Prakriti and all those things. That is another thing. But nature is actually itself very beautiful. So how beautiful Krishna must be. Okay, and hold this creation, everything. By saying that, we should get faith in Krishna's existence. And I think all of us have that. That's why we are continuing chapter by chapter. Okay? Otherwise, if you don't have faith, then you will not listen to any person. Like, for example, you are from BJP, you will not be liking any person speaking from Congress side, correct? Or you are from Congress side, you will not like BJP person speaking, you will not glorify him. But Krishna's, we can see about Krishna that we ourselves are created by him. Our form is in his form, okay, and that means human form. Then we see animals, plants, very beautiful birds. You might have seen their chirping and how different sounds they make. The flowers and many beautiful things in this world. How rivers, oceans, and all Himalayas and everything so beautiful. All things are there. Then faith in Krishna's relevance. That he is the cause of all the causes. He is the sustainer. So he is relevant for us. Okay? ऐसा नहीं कि उनके बारे में पता नहीं हो तो भी चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. He is the cause of all causes. He is the sustainer. Cause of all causes. सर्व कारण कारणम. यानी हर चीज के पीछे he is the cause of all causes. So this material world is functioning. So ये function किसने बनाया? The maker is he. Everything, whatever we have in this world, he is the cause of all causes. He is the sustainer. Because of him, the universe is sustaining. Then faith in Krishna's benevolence. ये हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं, ठीक है? Benevolence यानी now when somebody becomes devotee and understand Krishna, he understands that how much Krishna is giving me, how much he is benevolent. See, if I ask you a question, please reply in the chat box that who is more eager for us to get out of this material world? ये material world का जो suffering है, इससे बाहर निकलने के लिए who is more eager? Ourselves or Krishna? Who is more eager? What do you think? Batao. Or if you want, you can unmute and speak also.
Krishna.
Krishna.
And yes, Krishna. Yes. So the soul is actually soul. Thoda soul takes actually one step, but then Krishna takes 1,000 steps towards him. Dekho, and how we can prove that? See, even the soul goes into body of a worm in stool, a pig, or whatever body the soul gets, but Paramatma accompanies him. Krishna in the form of Paramatma accompanies him. उसके desire लेके वो desire ये करते रहते, क्या कहते हैं उसको, वो desire को प्रकृति को बताते हैं, इसको fulfill करो. So it's like a child who wants to leave his father. ठीक है, वो बोलते हैं father मुझे छोड़ दो, मुझे नहीं रहना है आपके साथ में. ठीक है, तो फादर बोलते बेटा रुक जा, but he says no, I want to enjoy separately from you. Child goes away from father, but still what father does is father sends his friend, father sends somebody else so that he can get food, clothing, वो सब कर सके. Father is observing him all the time. Any help indirectly wants father does, and at last father tells his friend, please you go and ask him to come to me back. So that is the love of father. Krishna is our eternal father, so that is his love. He is protecting us, he is keeping us. Actually, we should be so much grateful to Krishna for everything whatever he has given to us. See, 9 months womb में हम लोग sustain किए, womb of mother, which is like a sack, एक थैली के अंदर 9 months हम sustain किए. वो sustain बहुत difficult है, and nobody was protecting us at that time. Nobody was taking our care. Nobody knew what is happening inside our growth and everything whatever happened. That is, then moreover we have strength, beauty, intelligence, whatever skills we have, because of which we are sustaining in this world. We are what we say, earning our bread and butter. we are able to eat and live with family, we have parents, friends, relatives, whatever we have, all these things, at least वो भी नहीं बोला तो भी at least we have all these organs proper है, ठीक है, सब organs है proper, सारे senses है proper, whatever things, all these things we have, we should be very very grateful, okay, for this, and especially we should be very grateful for the benevolence in form of holy name Krishna has given us. बहुत easiest method हमको मिला है chanting, ठीक है, that's why आपको chanting के लिए बोला जा रहा है कि you come in morning for chanting or you chant more rounds please. Why it is told? Because यज्ञ करो, बड़े बड़े यज्ञ, that is not possible nowadays, कलयुग में तो वो possible ही नहीं, पूरा चेहरा काला हो जाएगा, इतने बड़े बड़े यज्ञ करते थे जो साधु लोगों लोग, ठीक है, उससे जो निकलता था धुआं, their body used to get black totally because of the smoke coming out of that yajna. They used to put all the pure material in that, pure ghee or pure वो सब कुछ, आजकल क्या है, what is pure nowadays, ठीक है, milk है, we cannot actually find out whether it is cow milk or buffalo milk or it is mixed or it is not milk at all, it is some urea and something mixed together, हमें वो भी नहीं पता, तो यज्ञ करना बहुत difficult work है, but Krishna has given us holy name that we can do, and that is Sankirtan Yajna, so that we can do very easily at home, कहीं पे भी बैठ के कहीं पे भी chanting कर सकते हैं, you don't require any special thing for that, ठीक है, you can chant in morning, afternoon, evening, daytime, night time, कभी भी chant कर सकते हैं, you can chant in car, you can chant everywhere, anywhere आप chant कर सकते हैं, beads के पे chanting करना है तो specially बैठ के chanting करना चाहिए, and ideally if it is possible we should do in morning time, otherwise we not possible then we can do evening also, but जो भी time हमें possible है हमें beads पे chanting करना चाहिए. I don't know whether all of you have beads or not. If you don't have beads you can please tell me or put in our group, so I can arrange, ठीक है, we can courier it from temple में होता है, so I can just talk to somebody, they will courier it, beads और bead bag आपको courier कर देंगे, okay. तो we should chant on beads, बस उसको छोड़ के भी हम लोग कभी भी chant कर सकते हैं, एनी टाइम, ठीक है, एनी टाइम एनीवेयर, देयर आर नो रूल्स, नाम नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति तथार्पित नियमित स्मरणेन कालः. There is like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling that you should chant, you can chant anytime, there is no kal, no what you say niyam for that, you can chant anytime, that is speciality of holy name. Then you should have faith in Krishna's intelligence. So okay, yes, so Krishna's intelligence, we should have faith in his intelligence, not on our plans, ठीक है, हमारे प्लान होते हैं but we don't know our plan where they are taking us in our future. We may have plans that I will do this thing in my life, by this I will get more money, or by this I can do some more things, bigger things, whatever, but if we are not getting that, we should understand that it is Krishna's plan for us, ठीक है, हम अपने प्लान पे ये नहीं कर सकते work. There is pastime of Brahma ji, ठीक है, it's called as Brahma Vimohan Leela. Once what happened, Brahma ji he came to see who is this boy Krishna who has killed big asuras, Aghasur वगैरह बड़े बड़े असुरों को मारा है, कौन है ये, ठीक है, who is this boy. Some people have told him that अरे he is Vishnu himself, ठीक है, he is supreme lord, that master of Brahma ji, ठीक है, ब्रह्मा जी के मास्टर है ना विष्णु, फादर है हम बोल सकते हैं, बिकॉज विष्णु के नेवल में से वो लोटस फ्लावर आ रहे हैं, ऑन दैट ब्रह्मा जी इज देयर, so Brahma ji is like father of Brahma ji's father is Krishna or Vishnu, so Brahma ji wanted to see who is this boy, so Brahma ji came from his planet, and then he saw Krishna, he saw that Krishna was sitting with coward boys, ठीक है, अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स जो है coward boyfriends उनके साथ बैठे थे, and at that time Madhumangal, one of his friend Madhumangal, what he used to do is he used to play with Krishna and he used to say, Krishna वो देखो उधर देखो उधर देखो, then when Krishna used to look there, he used to immediately grab some laddus and put it into mouth, ठीक है, Madhumangal चुपचाप से खा देता, then Krishna from Krishna's tiffin, ठीक है, so then Krishna saw that, and what Krishna used to do, Krishna used to punch him from both the sides like this, और फिर उसके मुंह से जो लड्डू है वो बाहर निकलता था, and then Krishna used to eat that laddu. Krishna ate that laddu from his mouth directly, वो बाहर आया and Krishna caught it by his mouth and ate it. So when Brahma ji saw this, he said, ये दूसरों का झूठा खा रहा है, ये मेरा भगवान है, no, ये छोटे बच्चों के साथ खेल रहा है, he cannot be the आदि पुरुषम, ठीक है, he cannot be the what we say अखिल मूर्ति और we say अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक, ये नहीं हो सकते, he cannot be my God. And then he said I should test him, and then what he did was he took away all the calves, ठीक है, सब calf जो थे बच्चे जो, because Krishna was small at the time, so cows नहीं चराते थे, calf को चराते थे, तो calf जो है सारे calves को क्या किया उन्होंने, he took all the calves to his planet and kept them there. तो वो जो टाइम था, ठीक है, calf को रख दिया, calf को रखा पहले, फिर then Krishna said where are calves, and then Krishna went to see calves. वो सारे फ्रेंड्स वहां थे, ब्रह्मा जी ने क्या किया, सब फ्रेंड्स को भी क्या किया, योग निद्रा में सुला के उनको भी रख दिया, उनको भी अपने पास रख दिया. एंड देन ही केम बैक टू सी व्हाट कृष्णा इज डूइंग नाउ, ठीक है. तो ब्रह्मा जी वांटेड टू टेस्ट कृष्णा, व्हाट कृष्णा डिड. तो वो जो उतना टाइम था ब्रह्मा जी को जाके वापिस आना, वो सब का आपको, बिकॉज प्लेनेट का डिफरेंस है, टाइम का डिफरेंस है ना. जैसे हमने जो डिस्कस किया, हमारे इतने सारे युगास, 1000 युगास जब मल्टीप्लाई हो जाते हैं, युगा साइकिल्स, उसके बाद दैट इज ब्रह्मा जी 1 डे. सो बहुत सारा टाइम डिफरेंस है, वहां का 1 सेकंड भी हमारे यहाँ का 1 साल से भी ज्यादा होता है, ठीक है, इतना डिफरेंस होता है यहाँ के टाइम में और वहां के टाइम में. तो आइंस्टाइन का थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी है ना, वो यहाँ पे होता है, ठीक है. तो ब्रह्मा till that time what Krishna did was, Krishna understood that oh it is Brahma. So then Krishna said Krishna wanted to teach Brahma a lesson, and also he wanted to reciprocate with his devotees of Vrindavan. So what Krishna did, Krishna expanded himself into all the calves and expanded himself into all the cowherd boyfriends, okay, cowherd boys. And why he did that was that because all women of Vrindavan and all cows of Vrindavan, they wanted Krishna as their child. They wanted to feed Krishna personally their breast milk. They wanted to care their children. All the cowherd women, they wanted to take the opportunity what Mother Yashoda had, to dress Krishna properly, daily, very nicely, bathe him, and feed him. All these things they wanted to do, but they were not able to do because Yashoda Maya used to do that service for Krishna. All of them wanted Krishna as their child. So for this, for completing this what we say desire, what Krishna did was Krishna expanded into all cowherd boys. And at the time when all cowherd boys and all the calves, when they went to their mothers, all of them embraced and they were feeling what is this special today, मेरा child वही है. And कृष्णा जब expand होते तो उसका मतलब ऐसा नहीं जैसे वो मूवी में होता है ना कि कोई हीरो वेश बदल के जाता है, हीरो दूसरा he has to act something differently. कृष्णा expanded हार्डवेयर एज वेल एज सॉफ्टवेयर, दोनों में, यानी वो पर्सन का एक्चुअल नेचर या स्वभाव है जैसे सब कुछ लाइक दैट ओनली, एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट, ठीक है. किसी के बॉडी पे तिल है, वैसा ही तिल उसके बॉडी, बाहर से भी पूरा वैसा ही और अंदर से उसका नेचर स्वभाव भी वैसा ही. दैट वाज कृष्णा. एंड वो जो टाइम था, फॉर दैट टाइम बीइंग, इट टुक एक्चुअली 1 year फॉर ब्रह्मा जी टू कम बैक. ब्रह्मा जी के लिए तो फास्ट, ही केम बैक फास्ट, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू अर्थली टाइम वो 1 year हो गया. So for that 1 full year, all the Vrindavan Vasis were so happy because everybody was having Krishna in their house in the form of cowherd boy, in the form of calves. Okay. Then when Brahmaji came back, okay, Brahmaji came back to see, so he saw Krishna was playing with all his friends. Although all were Krishna only, but he was not able to see all were Krishna. And he was telling, ये सारे friends है, ये सब friends है. And he said, then वो कौन है? He saw there, he went there, saw, he said, अरे ये भी तो वही है, इधर देखा तो ये भी वही है. तो ये सही कि वो सही, like that he was telling. And there is a place near Vrindavan, ठीक है, called as Sei. That place actually is told even now, ठीक है, वृंदावन के पास में एक place है Sei करके. So it is said that at that point, at that place only Brahma ji was saying, ये सही कि वो सही, like that. So Brahma ji was bewildered, and then Krishna does what Krishna does is Krishna immediately shows him all the रूप, जो भी सारे जो फॉर्म थे सब कुछ कृष्णा में बदल गए एकदम से. all became Vishnus, 400 form of Vishnu. ब्रह्मा जी actually worships Vishnu है ना, 400 form of Vishnu हो गए सारे के सारे cowherd boys. And when Brahma ji saw that, oh my lord, and then he fell at the feet of Krishna and then he asked forgiveness. And he said, even though my body is made up of intelligence fully, but still I got bewildered. That is ब्रह्मा जी. ब्रह्मा जी का बॉडी पूरे इंटेलिजेंस से बना होता है, अर्थ एयर फायर वाटर से नहीं बना होता है ब्रह्मा जी का बॉडी, फुल इंटेलिजेंस, ठीक है, इंटेलिजेंस से बना हुआ बॉडी होता है. तो ब्रह्मा जी bewilder हो गए. So we should not actually keep faith on our whims, our plans. We should have faith in Krishna's intelligence. Then 10.9, please recite after me. Mad chitta mad gatrana, mad chitta mad gatrana, bodhayanta parasparam, bodhayanta parasparam, kathayantascha mam nityam, kathayantascha mam nityam, tushyanti cha ramanti cha, tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Arjun, my devotees are all the time, okay, they are talking about me, what activities they are doing. Krishna is telling, okay, they are the thoughts of my pure devotees that dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service. They derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. So Krishna is telling, my devotees, they are all the time thinking about me. Unke thoughts mujh mein hai. They are devoted to my service and they derive great satisfaction. ठीक है, उनका चित्त काय में है, मत चित्ता, मेरे में उनका चित्त है. ठीक है, उनका चित्त पैसा, बिजनेस, रिलेशंस और जो भी सारी चीजें, ये सब में उनका चित्त नहीं है. Their चित्त is in me. Their thoughts dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my. So here Krishna is telling about whom? About the bhakta part. Okay, about the devotees Krishna is telling. Then Krishna is telling what do these devotees do? So Krishna is telling Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam. Satat, okay, all the time they are worshipping me with love. Priti purvakam. Krishna wants love of devotee. Okay, so to those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, what Krishna gives? Krishna is telling Dami buddhi yogam. To such kind of people who are constantly devoted to me, I give them this buddhi yogam. So हमने पहले जो learnings पढ़े थे उसमें एक था, learning हमें सीखना है कि how, to whom Krishna gives buddhi, or to whom Krishna gives this knowledge, or what we say, to whom Krishna reveals himself. So to the person who is satata yuktanam, satat, ठीक है, सततम कीर्तयन तो हमने देखा था पहले, सततम कीर्तन करते हैं, who is constantly serving, यहाँ पे बोला गया constantly serving, to him I give the understanding by which he can come to me. So here one very important point we should understand here, that even if we are not intelligent, even if we are not intelligent, even if we have not read many big shastras, Atharva Ved, Yajur Ved, Sam Ved, Rig Ved, Puran, वो उपनिषद, ये सब नहीं पढ़ा है अपन ने. We don't have this knowledge, but we are devoted to serving. ठीक है, serving spiritual master, serving guru. If we are devoted with love, if we are serving, then Krishna will give the knowledge. There is again a story of Brahmana, South Indian Brahmana. This Brahmana, he used to sit in a temple, Srirangam temple, and there he used to read Bhagavad Gita, but he was not able to read because he was not, what we say, properly, what we say, he hadn't taken proper education, or maybe he was not literate. Okay, so he was not able to read it properly, Bhagavad Gita. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went there, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw this Brahmana trying to read Bhagavad Gita, but he was not able to read it, and other people laughing at him. Okay? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to this Brahmana and he said, "Oh Brahmana, what you are doing?" So he said, "I am trying to read Bhagavad Gita, but actually I am unable to do so. So I try whatever possible by me." So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "Okay, you cannot read properly. Then I see so much, what we say, tej, okay, effulgence on your face, so much happiness. Still I see that you are crying in ecstasy, because tears were coming out of his eyes. Okay, you are crying in ecstasy. If you are not able to read, then why you are crying? How you are crying? For love." So that Brahmana said, actually my spiritual master, my guru, he told me that you should daily read Bhagavad Gita for purification of your existence. Okay, for purification of your subtle body. You should daily read Bhagavad Gita. And although I am illiterate, but still I am trying to read it on the just by the mercy of my guru. Just by the order of my guru, I am reading it. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "Okay, you are reading it correct, but still then why you are crying?" Okay, because crying in ecstasy is the topmost thing. Okay, how you are able to cry for God? So he said, "I don't understand much, but when I see the cover page of Bhagavad Gita, Okay, when I see that, when I read here that Krishna is driving the chariot of Arjuna, so how the Supreme Lord becomes servant of his devotee? When I see that, I feel like I cry because tears come out of my eyes by seeing Vatsala. Okay, when I see that Partha Sarthi, okay, Krishna is called Partha Sarthi. So when I see this Partha Sarthi, I understand the benevolent nature of Lord and how merciful my Lord is after seeing this. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became so happy. He said, actually, you have understood the essence of Bhagavad Gita. What he has understood, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that he was constantly serving, devoted to his spiritual master or devoted to Krishna directly. You know? So by that, he was actually getting the buddhi yogam, that is the intelligence how he can come back to Krishna reveals that. So if you are very intelligent, that does not mean that you will understand Krishna or you will get the mercy. If you are very strong, you very rich, but still all these things do not qualify you for getting this knowledge. What qualifies is constant devoted service that has to be done. And the last shloka of Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita is, show them special mercy, I dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. So Krishna tells कि for devotees, I remove their sins. कि मैं उनके sins remove करता हूँ, उनका जो ignorance है वो मैं remove करता हूँ. Nobody else can do that. Okay? So Krishna does. Krishna dwells in the heart of everybody and he destroys, okay, the darkness which is born of ignorance. इसीलिए बोलते हैं ना, at the starting we chant the prayers, Om Agyan Timirandasya. So it said that I was born, उसका meaning है I was born in darkness, ठीक है, of ignorance, means I was not having any knowledge, but my guru, ठीक है, my spiritual master, with the torchlight of knowledge, he removed that ignorance. Om Agyana Timirandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya. He gave me with the torchlight of knowledge. ठीक है, eyes दिए, knowledge के eyes दे दिए मुझे, and he removed all the ignorance. That is what is the verse tells. हम जो chant करते हैं. So Krishna tells, I remove for them. So Krishna is specially interested in devotees and he does all the things for them. So 3 O's to progress in Bhakti Yoga. First, only goal of life should be Krishna. Only qualification which is required is sincere and devoted to the activities of devotional service. What are the activities of devotional service? Chanting, offering the food to Krishna, daily doing some puja for Krishna, Aarti we can say, daily doing some service for Krishna, whatever service we can do. If you are a good painter, take a painting, you can do painting, you can draw pictures of Krishna. If you are good at speaking to people, then you can speak about Krishna. If you are good at your work in company and you get a lot of money, then you can give some money to Krishna. Like that, whatever thing you can go according to your capacity, one should be engaged in devotional service. This is what one should do, and only expectation to fulfill. One should perform some sort of work for Krishna with love. Similar thing, okay? One should do something with love. That is very important. So learnings from session 2. If one wants to progress in Krishna consciousness, then one should not consider Krishna and his name ordinary. That is, chanting को first preference देना चाहिए हमने, because chanting actually is not different than Krishna. So we can progress in Krishna. Devotees don't waste time in mundane things, rather they utilize their time in hearing and conversing about Krishna. All the time. Bodhayanta parasparam. They discuss with each other about Krishna consciousness. So devotees should do that. One should be sincere and should perform some sort of work for Krishna with love. These all things we saw. Then acceptance. Let's see here directly what Arjun is telling now. ठीक है, अब अर्जुन बोल रहे हैं. तो हमने क्या देखा, 8th चैप्टर के स्टार्टिंग में अर्जुन ने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, जिसमें अर्जुन ने 7 to 8 फॉर्म्स के बारे में बोला था. आदि भूता, आदि यज्ञ, ये सब क्या है ना, एक एक सारी चीज. सो कृष्णा फ्रॉम दैट टाइम व्हेन कृष्णा इज स्पीकिंग, अभी तक 8 चैप्टर तो हो गया, 9 चैप्टर भी हो गया. अभी अर्जुन is speaking on 10th chapter 10.12 shloka. Now Arjun is speaking, and what Arjun is telling, you are the supreme personality of Godhead, param brahma, param dhama, pitram paramam bhavam. So you are the supreme personality of Godhead, the ultimate abode, the purest, the absolute truth. You are eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest. Arjun is telling. तो ये सब अर्जुन बोल रहे हैं, तो हम बोलेंगे अरे अर्जुन मस्ट बी फ्लैटरिंग, अर्जुन फ्लैटरिंग कर रहे होंगे, ठीक है, फ्लैटर कर रहे होंगे. तो ही इज नॉट फ्लैटरिंग, बट ही इज एक्चुअली ही इज टेलिंग कि मैं खुद नहीं बोल रहा हूँ सिर्फ ये, ठीक है. ये कौन कौन बोलता है? नारद, असित, देवल, व्यास, ये सब बड़े बड़े लोग, ऑल ऑफ देम आर आल्सो टेलिंग, ठीक है. एंड नाउ यू योरसेल्फ आर आल्सो टेलिंग मी कृष्णा, सो यू आर सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉडहेड. बिकॉज पहले वो लोग फ्रेंड जैसे रहते थे, ठीक है, दे आर फ्रेंड्स, बट नाउ हियर नाउ अर्जुन गॉट अ चांस टू रिवील कृष्णा सुप्रीमेसी इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल, ठीक है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल समटाइम्स we have a friend who is expert in certain thing, ठीक है. Or we have a brother, our brother, he is he is doctor, or he may be having some qualities with him, good quality skills, ठीक है. So we are small, like we take him to our friends, small children, and we say, do you know my brother, who is he? Then what things he know, brother can you show, है ना. He will say, and then brother will tell, oh I know these things, your science है क्या है, छोटा मोटा आप ये क्या पढ़ रहे, body, I will tell you what are the organs and everything. Other friends, wow, pray, oh my god, he is so intelligent, like that, and we feel very nice in that, right? So Arjun is doing the same thing. He wanted to bring out all these things from Krishna's mouth, ठीक है. And now when Krishna has spoken all these things, because Arjun ये सब क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, अर्जुन एक एक करके पूछ रहे हैं ना, कि परमात्मा कौन है हार्ट में, ठीक है, कौन है, हु इज द सैक्रिफाइस का सबका, ये कौन है, भोक्ता कौन है. सो ही इज एक्चुअली आस्किंग कृष्णा अबाउट हिज आइडेंटिटी. एक एक करके कृष्णा का आइडेंटिटी बोले, और कृष्णा का आइडेंटिटी यानी इट इज ऑल ग्लोरीज, बिकॉज कृष्णा इज नॉट, कोई उस पर ये नहीं हो सकता, दाग नहीं हो सकता कृष्णा में, बिकॉज ही इज गॉड. हमारे में अंदर दाग है, हमारे अंदर गुड क्वालिटीज बैड क्वालिटीज दोनों है, बट कृष्णा में ऐसा नहीं है ना, ही इज प्योर. सो प्योरेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द प्योरेस्ट थिंग्स, ही इज प्योरेस्ट. तो कृष्णा खुद अपने बारे में बोले, ठीक है, दैट अर्जुन वांटेड, एंड कृष्णा स्पोक अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स नाउ, एंड देन अर्जुन इज टेलिंग यू आर सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉडहेड, द अल्टीमेट ट्रूथ. एंड मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, सब मेरे सब नारद मुनि, व्यास देव, बड़े बड़े लोग, ऑल दिस पीपल स्पोक दिस थिंग्स. तो अर्जुन ने सब बोल दिया. यस, ये वाला स्लाइड, ठीक है. Just a minute. How to make Krishna center of what is here? The points are here and the explanations are in the further slide, so it is difficult to relate. Okay. Then Arjun further questions. फिर अर्जुन और क्या further questions पूछते हैं, ठीक है, और reveal करने के लिए कृष्णा से. For us, ठीक है, Arjun is asking for us because Arjun actually pure devotee है. बस only thing is at that time he came into illusion. Should I fight or not and all this thing. But he is asking for all of us now, for the benefit of all of us. He is asking question to Krishna so that Krishna should speak, because कोई भी वैदिक लिटरेचर में डायरेक्टली लॉर्ड के ऑपुलेंस के बारे में लॉर्ड हिमसेल्फ हार्डली ही स्पीक्स, ठीक है. सो भगवद गीता इज अ अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड मोर अबाउट दैट सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी, ठीक है. And that is because of Arjun. So we should be very grateful to Arjun for asking all these questions. It's like कोई इंटरव्यू में इंटरव्यूअर हमारा जो फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटी है उसको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछता है जिनके बारे में हमें जानना होता है, हमें पता नहीं होता ये सेलिब्रिटी की शादी हो गई है क्या, वो कितने पैसे कमाता है, वो कहाँ रहता है, व्हाट फिल्म्स ही इज गोइंग टू ब्रिंग नाउ आफ्टरवर्ड्स, दिस क्वेश्चंस वन में हैव. सो इंटरव्यूअर वो इंटरव्यूअर आस्क दोस क्वेश्चंस एंड वी आर गेटिंग आवर आंसर्स. सो अर्जुन इज आस्किंग ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस फॉर अस. सो ही इज टेलिंग कृष्णा प्लीज डिस्क्राइब योर ऑपुलेंसेस, आपके ऑपुलेंस डिस्क्राइब करो मुझे. हाउ शैल आई थिंक ऑफ यू, हाउ शैल आई नो यू, सब क्वेश्चंस अर्जुन पूछते हैं, ठीक है. Why Arjun is asking question? For common people, for the sake of devotees who taste nectar. Devotees के लिए ये नेक्टर है, ठीक है. ये सारा जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है ना लॉर्ड का, एक एक शब्द कृष्णा के बारे में सुनने के लिए कान उनके आतुर है, ठीक है. इट्स लाइक अमृत, और कान से क्या कर रहे हैं, पी रहे हैं. सो दे आर ड्रिंकिंग द अमृत थ्रू देयर ईयर्स एंड फॉर पर्सनल एब्सॉर्प्शन आल्सो. ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे अर्जुन, इससे हम पर्सनली एब्सॉर्ब हो सकते हैं कृष्णा में और ज्यादा, ठीक है. सो दैट वन कैन थिंक ऑफ कृष्णा एट द टाइम ऑफ डेथ. So acceptance of Krishna as supreme pure leads to transformation of our heart. Bhagavad Gita should be understood in parampara system. सब उसपे से conclusions है, learning है, and hearing about Krishna is fruitful only when person practically performs bhakti. ये conclusions है. हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, जो अगला सेक्शन है, ठीक है. अब कृष्णा क्या करेंगे, रिवील करेंगे. अर्जुन ने क्वेश्चन पूछे ना, तो कृष्णा अभी रिवील करेंगे उनके ऑपुलेंसेस. So how can we see Krishna? Not possible to understand Krishna's greatness by our limited senses. हमारे limited senses कृष्णा को समझने के लिए काफी नहीं है, ठीक है? हम कितना भी माइक्रोस्कोप से देखें या टेलीस्कोप से देखें, हम कुछ भी कर ले, it is not possible till the time Krishna himself reveals, ठीक है? Krishna resides in our heart, that is 10.20 and 10.41. Everything opulent, beautiful and powerful springs from a spark of Krishna. By that we can see him. ठीक है? तो हर कोई opulent चीज देखी, हर कोई beautiful चीज देखी, powerful चीज देखी, then we should understand that the majesty of this majestic thing is opulence of Krishna. So जैसे मैंने आपको example बताया था वो Miss World का, correct? That Miss World, the devotee told that Miss World that why don't you thank Krishna for the beauty which Krishna has given you, correct? So whatever is beauty in this world, we feel very beautiful, something is very beautiful, that sense that beauty is actually beauty of Krishna, that we should understand. So Krishna is telling one by one all these things, like Krishna is telling among the senses I am the mind, okay? Among the living beings I am life force, मैं हूँ. Among all the powerful bodies I am the ocean. Among all the animals I am lion. Like this Krishna is telling. So that does not mean कि lion is Krishna. उसका मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता है कि lion is Krishna. But वो lion का जो majestic है, have you seen how lion walks? कैसे चलता है lion? Lion का attitude देखा है, ठीक है? So वो that is actually Krishna. वो जो lion का क्या कहते हैं हम उसको, उसका जो opulence है lion का, that is actually Krishna. We should understand that. So by understanding this, we can see Krishna everywhere. This is the sense of this topic. I will give a normal example. Suppose ठीक है, साइंटिफिक फिक्शन जैसे सोचो, एक वीडियो गेम है, ठीक है? वो वीडियो गेम किसने बनाया? सो दैट वीडियो गेम, your best friend, he made that video game, okay? Or your brother made that video game. Now your brother has made that video game and you play that video game. Now you are playing that video game. When you play that video game, you see, अरे ये ऐसा होता है, this person goes there and then he has this skill that he can jump like this. Wow, he made so nicely. तो आप खेल तो वीडियो गेम रहे हो, बट आप किसको ग्लोरीफाई कर रहे हो? यूर ब्रदर हु इज एक्चुअली नॉट द वीडियो गेम एग्जैक्टली, ठीक है? यू सी दैट he goes near the river, वो जो वीडियो गेम का कैरेक्टर है, and immediately there is a boat which comes and then he sits in the boat. So wow, so nice, कितनी सुंदर boat है, and this boat is going so nicely and breeze आ रही है, वो सब दिख रहा है उसमें. So actually you glorify whom? By seeing that you are glorifying your brother, ठीक है? You are developing respect for your brother, developing absorption for your brother. Similarly, ये जो चीजें कृष्णा बोल रहे हैं, by all these things you are actually we develop love for Krishna. So this thing is even special than the things which have been told before, because earlier it was told that you absorb your mind, but how, in what ways, ठीक है? Krishna is giving all these options now. So whenever we see mind, or whenever mind tricks us, ठीक है, माइंड हमें ट्रिक करेगा, उस समय समझना, अरे बाप रे माइंड कितना पावरफुल है ना. एंड अमंग ऑल द सेंसेस कृष्णा इज टेलिंग आई एम माइंड. सो 5 सेंसेस है, आइडियली 6 सेंसेस बोलते हैं, 5, और माइंड को भी सेंस में पकड़ा जाता है. सो माइंड इज आल्सो सेंस एंड कृष्णा इज टेलिंग अमंग द सेंसेस आई एम द माइंड, ठीक है? अमंग सेजेस आई एम नारद मुनि, अमंग द यज्ञास, ठीक है, सारे यज्ञ में मैं कौन हूँ? सो कृष्णा इज टेलिंग आई एम द चैंटिंग ऑफ जप यज्ञ, chanting of holy names. So holy name is topmost, okay? Chanting of holy name, Krishna tells that in Bhagavad Gita. And among the asuras I am Prahlad, like that Krishna tells. Of the great sages I am Bhrigu, of vibrations I am the transcendental Om vibration. इसीलिए आप देखा होगा बहुत सारे सेंट सब लोग ओम चैंट करते करें. Of sacrifices I am the chanting of holy names, and of immovable things I am the Himalayas, like that Krishna goes on speaking, ठीक है? So Hare Krishna and Om, of all the transcendental vibration, Krishna is saying I am Om. Om represents Krishna. The chanting of the Hare Krishna is the purest representation of Krishna. So Om is actually represents Krishna, but Om के बाद हम Krishna बोलते हैं, then that completes it, ठीक है? Om Krishnaya Namaha. If we speak that, then that becomes a mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. If we say that, that means some Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Lord वासुदेव के लिए, ठीक है, लॉर्ड एंड हिज कंसोर्ट, उनके लिए। यहाँ पर हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र is actually the purest representation of Krishna. So one may say that what if I chant Om daily? Just a second. There is some internet connection problem. ठीक है, मुझे लिख के आ रहा है. So if somebody chants Om, that will also bring peace to him. ठीक है, that is also a call for God. But Hare Krishna Mahamantra is the topmost purest representation of it. ठीक है, because this Mahamantra includes God and his energy also. ठीक है, Hare Krishna, when we say Hare, that means energy, that is Radharani, and Krishna means Krishna, and Ram also refers to Lord Ram, or we can say Krishna only Balram, ठीक है, Parshuram. Ram refers to also another part, like God only, Krishna only. Hare again refers to his energy. So Hare Krishna हम जब बोलते हैं, that means we are addressing both energy and energetic. ठीक है, दोनों को हम एड्रेस कर रहे हैं simultaneously. That means we are addressing the sum total of everything in this world. ठीक है, सब कुछ का टोटल को हम एड्रेस कर रहे हैं. So some people they worship only Krishna but not the energy. Some people they worship only the energy of Krishna. That like Devi, Durga, माँ काली, फिर लक्ष्मी माता, या फिर हम बोलेंगे सीता मैया, ये सब energy. But complete होना चाहिए. That's why always you will see Sita Ram, है ना, राधा कृष्ण, always दोनों होते हैं. So God and his energy दोनों होते हैं. So this Mahamantra is actually combination of both. So it is the topmost Mahamantras. डिफरेंट योगा प्रैक्टिसेस, सब योगा में अलग अलग प्रैक्टिस होता था. ठीक है, लाइक त्रेता युग में अलग, सतयुग में क्या था, सतयुग में था मेडिटेशन ऑन लॉर्ड विष्णु. फिर त्रेता युग में परफॉर्मिंग एक्सपेंसिव सैक्रिफाइसेस, बड़े बड़े सैक्रिफाइसेस होते थे. देन द्वापर युग में इलैबोरेट टेम्पल वर्शिप, बड़े बड़े वर्शिप होते थे. बट कलयुग में क्या है, चैंटिंग द होली नेम्स ऑफ द लॉर्ड, हरि कीर्तनात्. ठीक है, कलयुग में हरि कीर्तन, भगवान के नाम का कीर्तन, that is the process to attain God. In all yogas there are different process. Now you say if you do meditation in this yoga, ठीक है, for whole life also if you do, still you will not be able to achieve God. Why? Because कल युग के लिए meant नहीं है वो. मेडिटेशन hundreds and thousands of years तक करना पड़ता है, उतना लाइफ स्पैन तो चाहिए ना. सतयुगा के लोगों का लाइफ स्पैन 1 लाख ईयर्स था. ठीक है, that's why they could do. हिरण्यकशिपु he could do 10,000 years तपस्या वो कर सकते, 10,000 years तक तपस्या किया है. हमारा लाइफ कितना ईयर्स है, 100 years भी नहीं, 80, 50, 60, 65 years लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी है इंडिया में भी, 60, 65 years. तो इतना कम है, तो कहाँ करेंगे ये मेडिटेशन, कहाँ करेंगे. और करने भी गए तो क्या होगा, 2 मिनट से ज्यादा तो हम एक जगह पे बैठ नहीं सकते. For chanting sometime it becomes so much difficult for our mind, correct? So when we want to chant, mind को अपने को बैठाना पड़ता है. Chanting is such a simple process. How we'll do this meditation? Sacrifices, बड़े बड़े यज्ञ, ये तो possible नहीं है. ठीक है, as I told, यज्ञ में वो फायर लगाने के लिए, ठीक है, just to burn the fire, actually earlier the priests who are sitting there, with the help of their mantras, they used to burn that fire. How is it possible nowadays? Nowadays they use matchsticks, कपूर लगाए तो भी वो बुझ जाता है. They put ghee and kapoor and all these things, still they are burning twice or thrice, तब जाके वो जलता है यज्ञ. ठीक है, तो ऐसे यज्ञ चल रहे हैं आजकल. ठीक है, so it is difficult. It is not that वो यज्ञ का फल नहीं मिलता, but I am just telling, जितना प्योरिटी चाहिए वो सब चाहिए. So it is very difficult nowadays, and all pure things has to be put there. उसके सारे मंत्रास, वैदिक मंत्रास, वो सब who knows nowadays, correct? ISKCON is trying to revive many things from that, but still it is not possible nowadays, very difficult. द्वापर युग में there was elaborate temple worship. Now we see so many bigger temples in South India, सब चीजें. तो ये सब काय का रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. द्वापर युग में जो deity worship, temple worship जो अभी भी continued है थोड़ा बहुत, तो वो worship जो कि अभी possible नहीं है, बड़े बड़े worship, और उसके लिए जो purity standards लगते हैं, they are also not possible by us. What is the easiest way that is given for the people of Kali-yuga? Because Krishna knows that the people of Kali-yuga are manda sumanda. ठीक है, मंद सुमंद मतयो मंद भाग्य उपद्रता, दैट इज इट इज भागवतम. तो बहुत डल रहेंगे, अनइंटेलिजेंट रहेंगे, लेजी रहेंगे, शॉर्ट लिव्ड रहेंगे, बहुत छोटा लाइफ स्पैन रहेगा. सो दे कैन नॉट डू मच. सो क्या कर सकते हैं, दे कैन ओनली चैंट द नेम्स ऑफ गॉड. वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस. सो दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कलियुगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी चैंट हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. that is called as sankirtan. एक है chanting हम करते हैं, that is chanting, that is called as japa. But when we chant along with devotees with the help of musical instruments and we do kirtan, that is called as sankirtan. So I invite all of you to ISKCON temple. We will call you someday after our these sessions finish. So we will show you their sankirtan in temple. All devotees, we dance. You might have seen what we say, people dancing in discos and other things and pubs and all these places. But here the dancing is for pleasure of Krishna. That is sankirtan, chanting of the holy names of Krishna. Devotees do kirtan and all this. That pleasure we cannot define in words. When you do that, when you will experience that, then only you will understand. So chanting का importance है अभी further slides में. So I will just in short tell you some things. So we should chant the पंचतंत्र मंत्र, है ना, हम जो बोलते हैं पहले जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य, वो बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. So for removing the what we say offenses which we are going to commit during chanting, ठीक है. So that mantra all of you know now. अभी तक सबको learn हो
नमक
गया
कम
होगा.
है अपने जो तेज पत्ता तो कुछ नहीं डाला इसमें यार.
एक मिनट आपका आवाज आ रहा है,
नींबू कहाँ है? और
म्यूट कीजिए. तो वी शुड चैंट ऑडिबली. हमने जो चैंटिंग करते हैं हम लोग, हमने ऑडिबली चैंट करना चाहिए. व्हेन वी आर स्पीकिंग, व्हेन वी आर चैंटिंग, तो आवर साउंड शुड एक्चुअली वी शुड बी एबल टू हियर आवर ओन साउंड. वो आवाज हमें हम तक आना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट इज सेड दैट मंत्र एंटर्स थ्रू आवर ईयर्स एंड गोज टू आवर हार्ट एंड इट प्यूरिफाइज. ठीक है, इट रिमूव्स द सिंस. So it should be heard audibly. And what happens is sometimes nowadays silent meditation को बहुत लोग बहुत प्रेफर करते हैं. साइलेंट मेडिटेशन को आप बैठ जाओ एकदम सीधा ऐसे साइलेंट एकदम, और आंखों में मन में करो. सो मन इतना हमारा डेंजर है, मंकी है मन, है ना. मन क्या करता है, हम चैंटिंग करने बैठ रहे बट माइंड इज थिंकिंग अबाउट ऑल डिफरेंट थिंग्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. पूरा दिन का सब काम याद दिला देता है. वो ऐसा हुआ, मैं अब जाके ये करूंगा, मैं चैंटिंग हुई कि जाके मैं खाना खाऊंगा, फिर उसके बाद मैं जाके घूमने जाऊंगा, फिर उसके बाद कॉलेज का पढ़ाई करना है, फिर उसके बाद कंपनी का वर्क करना. माइंड इज कंटिन्यूअसली थिंकिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. बट व्हेन वी चैंट, mind is forced to focus on the sound vibration. Right? When we speak, our focus goes on what we are speaking actually. So we have to speak and hear. So we have to chant very audibly. Pronounce each name distinctly. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Ram 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 Hare Hare. ऐसा नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है. हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण. तो ऐसा इनडायरेक्ट नहीं, थोड़ा फास्ट में हम करते चैंटिंग. यू हर्ड शिल प्रभुपाद चैंटिंग करे. सो प्रोनाउंस ईच नेम डिस्टिंक्टली. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. Then chant with respect, devotion and concentration. Respect, devotion से respect के साथ में and with concentration. You can chant in any place, sitting or walking, facing any direction. No rules for that. You can chant at any time. हमने देखा. You can chant either before or after taking bath. I was typing there, so we'll continue from tomorrow. Almost we have ended. ठीक है, हमारा खत्म हो गया. Tomorrow we'll revise the chapter once again. Okay? Yes. So I will end it. Hare Krishna.